So I hit 10,000 subscribers last week and it's time for another freebie. I want to thank each and every one of you for blowing up my channel. I made these printable Halloween tags for you. They're linked in the description box. You can download the sheets and print them at home. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to use these tags. I'm also going to use these in my 365 Days of Ephemera short series next week. So if you know me, you know that for me, a tag is never just a tag. The first project we'll be making today is this little gift bag. Just add a chocolate bar, lollipops, or a small bag of candy inside, and you have a nice little Halloween gift. The second project is this tag with a pocket. This makes a nice Halloween gift too. We are going to start with the gift bag. I have already cut out all my tags and inked around them using black soot. I like to add some inking just so there isn't any white showing after cutting them. I'm cutting the base of our gift bag. I'm using black cardstock. The needed size depends on the size of your printed tags. Mine were about 7.5 centimeters, so I cut my cardstock at 8 centimeters. You want your cardstock to be a little wider than the printed tag. Next, I'm going to add some score lines to form the shape of the gift bag. The height of my cardstock is 29.7 centimeters. You need yours to be twice the height of your tag, plus about 2.5 centimeters, or an inch if you're using inches. I use my printed tag to see where I need to score. I leave a few millimeters on top and bottom, so I score at 14 centimeters. I then flip my cardstock and score the other end at 14 centimeters. The little space between my score lines is going to be the bottom of my gift bag. I chose 2 tags I wanted to use, and I glue them onto the cardstock. I use art glitter glue, but you can use any paper glue or double-sided tape. I cut the corners to form the tag shape. I'm punching a hole and gluing some hole reinforcers. You can use eyelets too. Next, we need to make a belly band. I use the same cardstock I used for the base of the gift bag. I cut out a 3 centimeter strip. If you're using inches, about 1.25 inches will be fine. Next, you need to make some score lines. The first score line is going to be the width of your gift bag. Mine is 8 centimeters, so I score at 8 centimeters. I then score at 10 centimeters, 18 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. I leave a bit of extra cardstock at the end and cut out the rest. So what you need to do is measure the width of your gift bag and make the first score line according to that. The next score line needs to be about 2 centimeters or about 3/4 inch from the first score line. Then you add the width of your gift bag to that and make the next score line there. And lastly, you add 2 centimeters or 3/4 inch and make the last score line there. I hope this makes sense. I then fold my belly band according to the score lines and add glue. It should slip on easily when the gift bag is empty. Next, I'm going to decorate the belly band. I'm using this stamp set by Studio Light. I'm also going to use this cute little frame. I use Lawn Fawn ink to stamp my sentiment on white cardstock. I glue the sentiment and the frame on my belly band. I add some candy inside. Now all that's left to do is add some ribbon or lace. I tie a bow on top. And here we have our cute little Halloween gift bag. Now let's move on to this tag. I've cut out a piece of cardstock that's slightly bigger than my printed tag. I've also cut a smaller piece of cardstock that's 7 centimeters tall and the width of my cardstock plus 4 centimeters. You need yours to be the width of the cardstock you've cut for your tag plus 4 centimeters. The height should be the Happy Halloween part of your tag plus 2.5 centimeters. We're going to cut the Happy Halloween sentiment out and use it in the pocket we're making. If you use inches, you need to add 1.5 inches to the width of the cardstock you cut for your tag. And the height should be the Happy Halloween part of your printed tag plus 1 inch. Now score at 1 centimeter and at 2 centimeters on 3 sides of the cardstock. If you're using inches, score at 3/8 of an inch and at 3/4 of an inch. I cut out the corners. I then fold according to my score lines to form a pocket. I add glue. I cut my printed tag into pieces. I glue the bigger piece onto my bigger piece of cardstock. I cut the corners to form a tag shape. I then glue the smaller piece onto the pocket we just made. I glue the pocket onto the tag. I add some lace. I punch a hole and add a hole reinforcer. And some more lace for finished look. And here's how it looks like. Just add some Halloween candy in the pocket. So here we have our cute little Halloween gifts. I want to quickly show you all the ephemera I have made for next week's 365 Days of Ephemera shorts. Thank you for crafting with me.